Hello friends, my name is Anika. I am studying KG class. We are going to discuss question and answer related to domestic animals and wild animals. Let's start.
Okay. Name any 4 domestic animals.
A cat, dog, buffalo, cow.
Next question. Name any 4 wild animals.
Giraffe, lion, monkey, zebra.
Next question. Who is the king of jungle?
Lion.
Next. The home of a lion.
Den.
Next. Baby of lion is called.
Cub.
Okay. Next question. Which is the tallest animal?
Giraffe.
Next. Which animal has long trunk?
Elephant.
Next. Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Next. What is the favorite food of elephant?
Sugarcane.
Next question. The home of dog.
Kennel.
Next question. Name the young ones of dog.
Puppy.
Next question. Name the home of cow.
Shed.
Next question. Name the young ones of cow.
Calf.
Next question. Name the home of horse.
Stable.
Next question. Name the young ones of cat.
Kitten.
Next question. Name the young ones of goat.
Kid.